all, welcome to VGuide. We all are using ChatGPT in our laptops. If I say it is available for our mobile devices also? Yes. Now I'm going to show you a software which supports on your both Android and iOS devices. Thinking how? Let's see. Let's dive into the video. Software name is called Microsoft SwiftKey Keyboard, which solves your issues in a smarter way. Open Play Store, type Microsoft SwiftKey Keyboard. Search, install, open. Now follow these steps. Enable Shift key, Microsoft Swift activate, select Shift keyboard, finish up. Now it is asking sign into your Microsoft account, give your ID, next, sign in successfully. Yes, agree. Installation is completed. Now let's see how can we use it. Yes, this is binge. I agree. Now let's see how can we use this. To click on chart, select this, click on chart. Here we can select creative, balanced, precise. So I'm selecting creative, writing a sample letter for annual leave. Hit OK. It will take some time. It will start writing the complete annual letter. So this is how it generates complete letter format for you. You can change your names and details and whatever the details you want to change. Copy that, paste in the body. You can give the subject line, annual leave, click on send. That's it. So we have another option in this called tone. So click on tone, need leave today. So it shows different phrases. So it will take some time to get all the proper. So here the tone will do a magic called, it will show different lines stating professional, casual, all these. So we can select as per our here. You can see professional, it's a casual, I need to take care of today. Polite, I would like to request a leave for today. Social post, need to take a day off today. So I am here selecting polite. So we have another option in this ChatGPT, it is called translation. So we can write anything in English that will convert into any other language. Here I am selecting Hindi. I want to buy a house. मैं एक घर खरीदना चाह रहा हूँ. So this is how it will convert everything. So I think this is very useful feature for our mobile devices. Hope you all like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. Thank you very much.